Okay, I've got all the tenons made. I've got the rails installed in this end, in this post. Now it's a matter of getting this post connected, and this is a little awkward, but hopefully will work here. Now, I think I need to just whack this one. Now I can get that one in. Okay, that's going, that's going. There we go. There we go. All right, so they're all stuck in there. It's a little bit askew. Well, actually not. That's pretty straight. So I can go to the next step, which is putting a central bar in here, and then after that getting the diagonal braces in. So the central bar, I need a piece that's about that, yeah. So I'm just going to cut this about right here and strip this end and see how that'll work. Okay, I'm into the next step here, and I've debarked the center post. I flipped this over because this fits nicely. It connects here, connects there, and connects there. So that's the way I want that to go. And what I do here is create some shank holes for the screws. These are 3/16 shanks, and I want to put a screw right here. Now that's basically just through the yeah, I created a little recess for the screw, and I think these are 1 1/4. They work perfectly. So I've got that connected, and it looks pretty good in position, so I think I can just go ahead and put the other okay. About 10 turns of that tool gives me about the right amount of recess. Okay. The last one. Boy, those are tight. All right, now for the diagonals. This is sitting good. And I picked a couple pieces here. And again, I want them to sit down. I'll be screw them in there and down here. So I'll position that about like that. And this one will go about like that. So they're a little bit long. And I've got a mark here to cut those off. But I think I'm going to wait until I debark these and check them out again.